Hello, Eric from Camplex, here to show you our new Field Termination fiber optics kit. Inside the kit you will find a precision cleave, most important for doing mechanical or fusion splicing in the field, a nice ruggedized fiber mat, measuring tape, pair of cable cutters, jacket splitter for opening the jacket of the cable. This is used on armored cable if you have to get through the armored jacketing of any fiber cable. Marking pen, universal screwdriver set, a nice pair of fiber optic fiber strippers, Kevlar scissors, a sturdy pair of needle nose pliers, another cutter, of course a VFL, which is very important for checking your termination. Comes with a standard 2.5 millimeter for STs and SCs. Comes with an adapter to switch over to the 1.25 millimeter, which will be your LC. An alcohol dispenser. Nice set of wipes. Another good set of wipes as backup. A headlamp in case you're working in a dimly lit area. Nice pair of safety glasses. Always got to be careful. An optical loss tester for when you're finished. And if you have to do any electrical splicing, here are some strippers for electrics as well. And it all comes in this wonderful backpack. It has plenty of extra storage for anything else you might want to bring along during your field terminations. So check us out at camplex.com or on our socials at Camplex Fiber. Thank you.